If you want to earn $1,296 every day online on autopilot for as long as you want, this video is just for you. This is a super new, super easy method that is gradually going viral, and people love this because they get to make money over and over again without having to do much. There is no monitoring required, and you don't have to pay a dime to use this method. All you need is a laptop or your phone, and once you have everything in place, you can sit back and make money even in your sleep. In this video, we'll be breaking down what you need to do to make $2.70 every 3 minutes, and you don't want to miss a second of it. By the end of this video, we'll be sharing with you 2 hacks that are guaranteed to help you make more money than anyone else using this method. Don't go anywhere, and let's get started. First, you want to open your browser and go to a website called cpagrip.com. This is a website that pays you whenever people click on your link. There are many other websites like this out there, but we are going to use cpagrip.com because they are credible and pay more than most websites out there. While another website may pay you 50 or 60 cents whenever someone clicks on your link, CPA Grip will pay you $2.70 instead, making it the best option for this method we are talking about. Before you can use this website, you need to register, and this doesn't take any time at all. To register, click on the register icon on your screen, and if you are using a phone, it will be at the top left corner at the bottom of the catalog. Next, you will be taken to another page where you have to fill out some personal information, like your name, phone number, email address, and the likes. The important areas to fill out have a little asterisk at the side, and you can go ahead to provide your information. There is one area we need to address when you are about to register, and it is very important that you select the right option when you get to this. As you fill out your personal information, you will get to the section that says Publisher Type, and when you click on it, you will be given 4 options: website/incent, email, GPT, and other. Select the GPT option if it is provided to you. If you don't see it, select website/incent instead. Provide your remaining information and you're in. After creating an account, you will be taken straight to your dashboard. Here you can chat with other people making money through this method, get some statistics on how your posts are doing, and the offers that were recently added to the site. There are tons of offers added regularly to the site, like taking surveys, getting new content, learning aids, and other stuff that people get interested in. This is the best time to throw in the first pro tip that we have for you. When selecting an offer to use, look out for the giveaway offers like win an iPhone, win a PS5, and stuff like that. Among the other offers, people tend to get more excited about giveaways, and you will definitely get people clicking on your links every day if you use this. For this video, we'll be using this PS5 offer available on the site, and tap on that to get the link you'll be using. In a few seconds, you'll be taken to another page where you will find your link waiting for you underneath. In the tracking domain section close to the top, you can choose to use the domain already selected for you. But it is better to use grptrk.com or yotefiles.com if it is there for you to choose. Copy the link and let's head on to the next phase of this process. Paste the link somewhere and take a look at it. The minute you take a look at it, you can instantly see how spammy the link looks. And if you put them anywhere, people will instantly think they are clickbait and will not go anywhere near them. This isn't what we want, and we are going to shorten the link by using bit.ly. Bit.ly is a popular website for creating shortened links, and you can use it without creating an account. Paste your copied link in the small box provided, click on the shorten button below, and the link is instantly shortened. An amazing feature of bit.ly is that you can customize the links if you want to include a unique name to the list. You can easily do this by creating a free account with the website. To do this, click on the Sign Up button and fill in your personal details. Once you have created your free account, a dashboard will be provided and you will see your shortened links under Your Bitlinks section. Tap on the link you want to customize and then click Edit Link. Now, for the free version, you can only change the numbers at the back, but don't worry, bit.ly is a recognized brand and people will click on the link anyways. Remove the numbers and letters and type in your own unique name. Emphasis on unique because your link will not be saved if there is another out there with the same name. Save the link and you're done. Copy your new links, paste them somewhere, and if you got other links from cpagrip.com, shorten them while you're on the website so that you won't have to go back and forth. We are heading to canva.com to continue learning how to make money with this method. Canva is a platform that gives you tools to design anything you want. And this is great because you want to create a post that is attractive and will draw attention. Search for Twitter post on the website and select a simple design or use the blank space given to you. We are going to go with the blank space for this method so that we can create the post exactly as we want. Remember that we are using the PS5 offer and we need a picture to show people what they are winning. Getting a picture of a PS5 is easy and you can find tons of pictures when you search on Google. Among the many pictures you see, choose a clear picture with a white or plain background because that will help your post look more professional and clean. Save the picture on your phone or computer and paste it on the canvas space. Adjust the picture a bit to fill in the space and leave enough space at the side to write some texts. In the remaining space for the text, here are some things you can write. We are going to make the headline PS5 giveaway and give some instructions for people to follow. We will ask them to retweet or share the post on their feed and to tag a friend who they are going to play with when they win the PS5. You can include your link in the post, or you can ask them to check out the link in your bio as the last step to win the giveaway. Getting them to click on the link is the most important part of this post because that is how you are going to make money. Highlight that part of the post to draw attention to it. And you can include some things at the bottom, asking them to complete all the steps to stand a chance to win the PS5. Download the design you just created, and now we are going to post it. Wait a minute. Before downloading the design, here's a hack just for you. People tend to get a bit greedy, and when they see a giveaway, they will try to click on the link as many times as they can. To take advantage of this, in a corner of your post, add that every person can only get one entry every 24 hours. This way, people will keep coming back to your link every day. And guess what that means? You make more money. You can post this on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, or any other social media platform. But the best social media platform to use is Twitter. Why? Because it is easy for people to retweet your post and tag their friends. In a matter of minutes, tens or hundreds of people can see your post and help you make more money. You may not want to post all of these on your personal account, and that is not a problem because you can always create another account dedicated to posting your giveaways and related posts. If you want to use another website, the next best bet is Facebook. There are billions of people using Facebook, and it is also easy for people to share the post and tag their friends. Using 2 social media accounts to do this increases the number of people that will see your post and make you money. Telegram is another good platform you can use for this, but only use this if you own a group with a lot of members or have access to one. If you have a Telegram account and want to post there, it may be a bit difficult to find groups about PS5 only, and what you can do is search for tech-related groups by typing in the word tech in the search box. Join groups with a lot of members and post there. When you share your post to these groups, you will definitely find people that are interested in your offer. $2.70 may seem like a small amount to make in 3 minutes, but it adds up. Making $100 or more every day isn't too shabby.